Bennettsbridge is a small village located in County Kilkenny, Ireland, with a rich and long history dating back to medieval times. Situated on the River Nore, it has been a settlement of importance due to its location along key trade routes and its proximity to Kilkenny city. The village's name, Bennettsbridge, likely derives from a Norman family named Bennet that settled in the area. The Normans arrived in Ireland in the late 12th century, and like many parts of Kilkenny, the area was influenced by their culture and architecture. Bennettsbridge was an important crossing point on the River Nore, with its bridge serving as a key element in trade and travel routes. During the medieval period, Bennettsbridge played a role in the local agricultural economy, as the fertile lands around the Nore Valley were ideal for farming. The village was also connected to the broader network of trade and commerce due to its proximity to Kilkenny city, a major Norman stronghold in the region. By the 18th and 19th centuries, Bennettsbridge became more known for its craft industries, particularly in pottery. It became an important centre for artisan production, with potteries such as Nicholas Moss pottery being established in the 20th century. The location by the river allowed potters to access the high-quality clay that the Nore River provided, and Bennettsbridge pottery became renowned for its craftsmanship. The old mills in the area also contributed to the local economy, grinding grain and processing flour for the surrounding communities. The River Nore provided both a source of water power and a transportation route for goods. In the 20th century, Bennettsbridge remained a quiet rural village, but became known as a centre for traditional crafts. Nicholas Moss pottery, founded in the 1970s, helped revive the local economy and brought attention to Bennettsbridge as a destination for handcrafted goods. The village also retains much of its historical charm, with the bridge across the Nore being one of its most distinctive features. The stone bridge, built in the 18th century, is a focal point of the village and remains a key historical landmark. Bennettsbridge is not just an important location for its crafts and trade history, but also for its association with the picturesque Nore Valley. The village has maintained its rural charm and is known for its beautiful landscapes, contributing to its popularity as a tourist destination. In summary, Bennettsbridge's history is marked by its strategic location along the River Nore, its importance as a crossing point and trade hub, and its contribution to Ireland's craft and pottery traditions. Its connection to Kilkenny city and the surrounding agricultural lands have shaped the village's development through the centuries. If you find these videos of interest to you and haven't subscribed already, please do, and turn on notifications so you will be notified when I post next video. Thank you. Until the next time, goodbye.